are no longer selling or keeping stock of certain material items, you can choose to archive or disable them. If there is no sales or purchase history against a specific material item, you can also delete it. In this module, learn how to disable, archive, and delete material items. Head to Materials under Global Settings to see your list of material items. To disable a material, simply click the checked box on the right. Grey bench rack is now disabled and won't appear in your list of materials. If you want to enable it again, click on Advanced over here, select Include Disabled, and let's type grey in the Name Contains field to narrow down our search, then hit Apply. The grey bench rack we disabled just before is now visible. To re-enable it, click on the checkbox and it will reappear in your materials list. If you want to archive it instead, click the red filing box icon. This message will appear if the stock level of the material item is anything other than 0. If there are incomplete transactions, such as back orders for this item or purchase orders with draft, approved or sent statuses, then the item cannot be archived. As an unmanaged item, we can easily adjust the stock level. If it was a managed item, we would have to do a stock adjustment transaction or sell the stock first. This item is not currently being used in any active sales or purchase orders, so the stock level can be overwritten. If it was in use, then the transaction would need to be deleted or completed first. But here, simply expand the item to edit and change the stock level to 0. Now we can archive the grey bench rack. To unarchive, follow the exact same process as we did for re-enabling items. Click on Advanced, but this time select the Include Archived checkbox. Then click the green icon to unarchive. To delete an item, you must first disable it. Let's use the vertical bar storage rack for this example. So we uncheck this box and the rubbish bin icon appears. As the vertical bar storage rack has a stock level of 0 and has no sales or purchase history, we can delete it by clicking the bin. Items that have been purchased or sold in the past cannot be deleted, only archived. In summary, you can disable items by unchecking the enabled box. They will no longer appear in your materials list or be available to select for new transactions. However, for transactions that have already begun, disabled items can still be sold and received. You can archive materials once they have been disabled by clicking the red filing box icon. This is useful for items that you no longer intend to sell, but cannot be completely deleted due to having a transaction history. Materials with no transaction history can be permanently deleted by clicking the bin icon after disabling it. To archive or delete items, the stock level must be 0 and all incomplete transactions must be completed or deleted. Lastly, to view or edit disabled and archived items, use the Advanced button at the top of Materials.